So you know you can't say any bad words.
Yeah.
You know the words I don't like you to say.
Yeah, we can say shut up.
No, that's not a nice word.
Yeah, we can say fucking asshole.
No, don't say that word. That's a very bad word.
Yeah, that's a very bad word.
So this is the most interesting moisturizer I've ever tried. Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I only have it on this side. I put an amount on my face. You can see it's quite interesting the way it is, right? You see this? Look at this. Like, yeah. It's almost like a glue. It looks like, and it comes up like a glue if you look at that. I mean, I guess, yeah, you could say jelly, but I would say more like a thick glue. So it says to put it on until fully absorbed. So you put it on, it's kind of like nice and silky. And then I guess with your skin warmth, it almost becomes like Vaseline, like all over your face. It smells exactly like lavender. It says it has lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric, which are all great things for the skin. But the lavender, especially if you're using this in the evening, it actually has properties to relax you. Look at this. It feels fine on the skin. It's just very like slippery, like Vaseline, but not thick like Vaseline, just slippery like oil in Vaseline. You can see this. It says keep rubbing until fully absorbed. So I might have put a little bit more on the skin, but it feels great. Make sure you take it down to your neck. And yeah, actually pretty darn cool. I could see how this would totally help you not get wrinkles because it really leaves a barrier. It says it's supposed to fully absorb, but I'm going to leave a little extra like that on my skin because it feels great. It feels like I'll be slipping all over my pillow, and then it's going to leave a barrier to help me fight those fine lines and wrinkles. Woo! I'll post a link in the description and the comment section.